Hey there, got some aches and pains? You're in luck because today I'm showing you how to make a ginger poultice right at home for natural pain relief. First things first, here's what you'll need. Fresh ginger, a grater, a cloth, and some hot water. Simple, right? Start by grating about 6 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory properties are fantastic for easing muscle and joint pain. Once you've got your ginger ready, place it in the center of your cloth, fold it up like a little packet. Next, soak the ginger-filled cloth in hot water. You want it hot but not scalding. Let it sit for a minute to absorb that heat. The heat helps to release the ginger's beneficial compounds and increase blood flow to the affected area. Now, carefully wring out the excess water. Place the warm poultice directly on the sore spot. Make sure it's comfortable and not too hot. You can secure it in place with a wrap or just hold it there for about 15-20 minutes. Feel the relief yet? Ginger poultices are an age-old remedy that can work wonders for inflammation and pain. Remember, consistency is key. Try this a few times a day for best results. That's it. An easy, natural solution to keep those aches at bay. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more home remedies. Thanks for watching.